Hey, what's going on? Matthew Taman here. I know, it's been a while since I put out a new video, and I've received so many messages from you guys. Matthew, is Joomla dead? Do you still recommend using Joomla? Or should I switch to something else? Well, in this video, I just want to go over, do I think Joomla is dead, or is it time to switch over and use something else? So for those of you that have been following this channel for the past few years now, you know that I'm a huge Joomla fan. I've been using Joomla since version 1.0 was released. This is like back in like 2006 or something like that, right? So me and Joomla will go way back. But as times have changed, right, new technology come up, right? And with things like ChatGPT, right, it's made creating websites like such a breeze that you can just put in some prompts and you can build something. Now, the question is, do you switch from using Joomla or do you stick with it? So I've been using Joomla to do everything, and I still do. So no, I do not recommend you just completely just leaving Joomla and just to go somewhere else. Not because I'm a Joomla fan, but because you have to understand something. Anytime that a new technology is introduced, right, it takes some time for that technology to become the norm. So there's still a lot of things they got to fix. There's still so many questions that need to be answered. AI has completely changed the way that we create websites, right? But it's just not there yet, right? There's still so many different things that need to happen in order for it to get there. So I'm still going to use Joomla, and I recommend for you to keep using Joomla, especially with the release of Joomla 5. As of this video, the latest version is Joomla 5.03. So you can go to Joomla's website and download it and update your site. Now, they've made so many updates to Joomla 5 that if you haven't seen those, I did a crash course to go over the core things and the differences and similarities between, Joomla 4 and Joomla 5. So I'm going to link that video up here somewhere. Either way, it's gonna be linked up, so you can be able to go in to watch it to get caught up with it. But Joomla gives you the flexibility that you need. That's one of the things that separates it. When you have all this AI websites, right? The problem with that is there's still so many fine tuning that you still have to do. So just because you put in a prompt and it builds something for you, there's still so many things that got to get changed, that got to get tweaked, that got to get integration with it, right? Because it just won't integrate everything for you. If you want to build a shopping cart, like an e-commerce website, well, it just won't always do that for you. There's still some fine tuning that needs to go into that. So I do use AI a lot. I use AI integrated with Joomla. As a matter of fact, I have a new course that teaches you how to use AI with Joomla to build websites even faster. Now, that course goes into a lot of details, take you from step to steps, work you through all the things you need to do, what you need to know, and how to get going. So I'm going to put that at the link in the description below for you to sign up. It's a 6 weeks training course, work you through step by step. So no, for those of you that are using Joomla, stick with it. I'm going to have some more tutorials coming up, some more stuff coming up. I've been getting tons of messages from you. Matthew, did you abandon this channel? No, I did not abandon the channel. So much more stuff is coming up. But also life happens, life happens and you got to roll with the punches, right? But I'm excited because so many great things are coming up and I can't wait to share those things with you.